Hey everyone, and welcome back to Sparkle Storytime. Today we're joining Pip, a misfit toy with a big dream, on a magical night adventure. Pip wasn't like the other toys. He wasn't a cuddly teddy bear or a fancy doll. He was a mismatched sock puppet stitched together from odd scraps of fabric. The other toys often teased him, calling him patchwork and saying he didn't belong. One lonely night, Pip overheard the children talking about their upcoming play. They needed a dragon for the final scene, but their toy dragon was broken. Pip knew he wasn't a dragon, but he longed to be part of something special. So with a spark of courage, he snuck out of the toy box and embarked on a magical journey. Guided by the moonlight, Pip explored the house, meeting all sorts of fascinating creatures. Luna, the wise old lamp who shared stories of faraway lands. Sparky, the energetic firefly who lit his way through the darkness. Penelope, the shy spider who spun him a magnificent cape. With each encounter, Pip gained confidence and discovered hidden talents. He learned to use his patchwork body to mimic different shapes, his mismatched buttons as eyes that sparkled in the dark, and his floppy ears to make funny flapping noises. Finally, he reached the children's room. The play was about to begin, and the children were worried about the missing dragon. Pip took a deep breath and stepped into the spotlight. Using his newfound skills and the magical items he collected, Pip transformed into a magnificent patchwork dragon. He roared, flapped his wings, and chased the play's villain with playful energy. The children were amazed. Pip's mismatched features, once mocked, now made him the most unique and exciting dragon they had ever seen. The play was a success, and Pip received thunderous applause. More importantly, he finally felt accepted and appreciated. He learned that being different wasn't a weakness, but a strength that could make him shine. Pip, the misfit toy, found his place by embracing his uniqueness and using his talents. Remember, everyone has something special to offer, no matter how different they may seem. Be kind, be accepting, and you might be surprised by the magic that unfolds when you embrace what makes you unique. Thanks for joining Pip on his magical adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories that celebrate friendship and belonging. And remember, you are unique and amazing, just the way you are.